Hey everyone, this is Dhruv from All You Need. I'm here, and today we got here the Curve from Bolt Audio. So let's read some specifications from this audio packaging. So it comes with around 1,300 bucks, and it is in red in color. So the packaging says that it has a magnetic earphones, and it has some sort of a deep bass bass and a 3D acoustic. I don't know what's that it until I get my hands on it. So it has a long battery life, built-in microphone, a premium neck bind. So it comes with a sort of a neck bind, which actually comes in just in your neck. It is compatible with iOS, Android, tabs, and Windows laptops. And sort of it's compatible with actually everything. Then it has a Bluetooth 4.2, and it comes with around 1 year guarantee. So let's get into it. Let's unbox it. Nothing is more satisfying than feeling it polishing packaging off. Yep. Let's get into it. So slide it out. Okay. You are what you listen to. So it has some sort of a cardboard thing. Let's keep it aside. It has some sort of a, I think it's a kind of warranty card. It has a number on it. It has some sort of a email. So if you have any problem, you can contact us over here. I think every phone should include some sort of a thing like this, so that if you have any problem, you can contact there. Nice stuff. So we got over here some sort of user manual, the paperwork. Okay, to adjust the volume, Siri and voice command, music control, multi-point connectivity. Managing phone calls, so you can even manage your phone calls from these earphones. Nice things. So it has a sort of a guide to how you pair. So it has first time pairing, when you already paired. So actually we'll do it later on, the pairing stuff. So it has a battery life. The packaging say that it has around 15.2 hours packaging, 2 hours backup, and that's it. And it's the main stuff. So before I go to peel this off, so let's just check this. What exactly is this thing? So I guess this is a charging cable, and this is a dash charger, a micro USB 3.0. Nice. And we also have some extra earbuds. So the earbuds has actually some extra hard portion in it. Let me check this out. So there is some sort of a red thing. I don't know what exactly is this thing, but it is hard when you're holding this in your hands. And that's it. Let's get and check this out. So it has this some sort of a neck band, which the packaging has told already. It is so sort of strong. Really good stuff. So here are your volume rockers. This is a turning button, and these are the magnetic that we were talking about. I want to check how much magnetic powerful it is. So if I keep it over here, nice, good stuff. So let's get and take this off. I don't know how exactly I'm gonna take this thing off though, but not really bad. I don't know. Okay, so it has like this thing. So if these earphones are, you want this portion of the earphones in your ear right now, so you can just adjust the size how much you want. If you limit this over here, so only this portion is movable. Very nice stuff. I think each and every earphone's Bluetooth connectivity should have this thing in their box. Nice. So approximately the length of this is just around 20 centimeter, I guess. Really nice. So these are actually curved, so it's the left one. So when you're using this thing, so it goes in your ear directly. It's very comfortable. I sort of like this actually. If I take this off, and there's some sort of base around here. That was the packaging was saying. Actually, I can't wait to get a full review on this. Just when I connect it to my device, and just really nice stuff. Okay, so just wait for the full review of this. Is the earphones. That's it for today, guys. As always, stay tuned for more, and peace.